Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token. This recent pump of Tectonic token hitting over 70% increase in price, and even the market cap hit over 100% increase, and we also saw the volume hitting almost 750% increase. Well, I believe that this is going to happen, but I didn't expect this to really happen recently. But one important thing is for sure, more pump is going to come in very soon, and I believe by the time some top exchanges will start listing this coin, Tectonic token will definitely pump again. One important thing is that VVS Finance are really showing a lot of support for Tectonic token. This recent pump is also VVS Finance controlling about 65% of Tectonic volume. Wow. So even though Tectonic token is being hosted by Kronos chain, okay, built by crypto.com, and I believe that for VVS Finance to really control such volume 65%, while crypto.com actually controlling the 35%, I think 34%, but Kansas City is now controlling about 1%. It's amazing to see this exchange at VVS Finance really showing great support for Tectonic token. Now imagine by the time we will see Get.io, Kucoin, L-Bank, Hotbit, all these top exchanges coming in to list this coin, I believe Tectonic token will be controlling a lot of volume in a day. Tectonic token is going to hit millions. The market cap is only trading over 60 million. By the time the market cap will hit 50 or 100 million dollars, we are going to see Tectonic token hitting an amazing price pump. Well, stay tuned. Let's keep hoping that Tectonic token will keep increasing, will keep pumping. I believe this coin this year is going to pump, it's going to delete some zeros, but let's hope that it all depends on Bitcoin, if BTC will really pump this year, and also on the developers, if they have a better plan for this coin, definitely this coin will keep increasing. Well, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.